Now let's position a text in an image. So we saw all these examples. Using that, let's position a text in an image. Let me have a main class. I wouldn't agree this is a very good name. Now inside the main class, let's have some text. Cat. The cat should be fine. Not gonna give any width to it. Okay. And along with the cat, let me give some text to it. Let's call this top left. Call this top left. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say position absolute top 0, okay, top 10 pixels, left 10 pixels. Think this would work? I don't think this would work. Well, it worked. But it is always a best practice to always have the container to have a position. Now, absolute works well when we have a position to its container or its parent class. Now let's just think of it. Image and the div tag, image and the text tag should come one after the other. So I'm gonna remove this, or else remove both the style. So when I remove that, this is its original position, right? The image, after that the text. But when you give an absolute and a relative value to the text and its container, the text actually tries to be at the containers level, say here. So this is where the text, I mean the container actually starts, right? So this corner, from that corner, it is taking a position of 30 pixels from the top and the 30 pixels to the left. See? Now let's try let me try top right. But when you give top right, it completely goes outside the image because it doesn't bother about the image. All it knows is the container. So for it to work well, you have to adjust this. You should keep moving from the right, or else try to adjust the width of the cat. Now this 100% will make it look ugly, but still, that's what you want. When you say right 0 pixels, it is trying to be right from here. If you say left 0 pixels, it is trying to be left from here. The same way you could do bottom, all that. So that's how you could have a text over a image.